All right, let's go over the trade that we took today on Ethereum. I'll go over everything step by step for you so that you can follow along in your paper trading account or your live account. Now, this is the same exact system that we're going to use in the TradingView competition and also in the prop trading firm challenges. So we have a few TrendCloud members right now that are using this exact trade plan and technique to pass their prop trading firm challenge and to get funded. So let's start off with the supply and demand zone scanning system. You can see right here, we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum inside of the scanning system. We've also got SPX. We've got silver and gold as well in there. But we're going to focus on Ethereum. That's the one that we chose to take. And let me show you why. So high time frame, 4-hour chart, we are in a downtrend. You can see that the candles are red. TrendCloud is red. And we're also in the red on our momentum filter, right? So this is a very powerful combination. A downward trend with downward momentum on your highest time frame is very powerful. So that takes the context of this trade to the downside, and we are also early in this downtrend as well. Second checkpoint is going to be this right here, the 1-hour chart downtrend, right? And we are also below the negative 100 line on our CCI indicator. The CCI indicator stands for Commodity Channel Index. It was invented back in 1980, and it's specifically used for commodities or in the futures market, but it does a great job identifying a strong trend. So if you're in a downtrend, you want that CCI indicator to be below negative 100, and that is a good indication that you are in a very strong intermediate downtrend. You've got the supply and demand zone scanner. Number one told us, hey, go look at Ethereum, and we did. So we go over to the high time frame, and we're in a downtrend. Great. We're also in a downtrend with momentum, right? Momentum is down. Then you go over to your middle time frame. Trend is down, and it's also below negative 100 on CCI. Great. Okay, so awesome. Let's draw out that box. A nice rally-based drop right here. And I'm going to show you, let's make that red. I'm going to show you why this was of interest. This is a rally-based drop, and this formation broke through structure. Let me show you what that looks like. This formation right here, let me grab my line, it broke through that and that, okay? This is a zone, a supply zone, that broke through 2 points of structure. 1, 2. Great. It also broke through a formation drop base rally. It broke through a formation that broke structure. So do you see how this drop base rally broke through structure right here in the past? See how it broke through that right there? So that means that this is very powerful. So when you see a formation break through another formation that broke structure, you've got something very powerful here. So this is actually a formation that broke through another formation, and that made this zone even more powerful. And you can see we labeled everything. Or if you go to ideas, here it is when we took this trade, and you can see right here November 4th, and it shows the time. What's that? 12:10 it looks like. Let's go over to it. So here's where we drew out the trade, and there is everything that we were looking at. There's Ethereum in our scanning system. Great. Go over to the 4-hour chart. We're in a downtrend with downward momentum. Great. Check that box off. 1-hour chart, we are in a downtrend. Great. And we are below negative 100. It actually went below negative 200. So very strong downtrend. So we started looking for supply zones, and we found this right here, rally base drop, broke through structure. So we know that this is a formation that broke through another formation. And look, we can just hit the play button, and that's what happened. Okay, so this is a great way to save your trades and to demonstrate them later on. And you want to have a discussion about it. And if they fail, you also want to have a discussion about it, right? So this was a great play. We took a 2-to-1 on this, and then it started creeping back up. But as of right now, we still have a tremendous amount of force to the downside. The reason why I took profits and got out of this trade is because of this. Let me show you on the high time frame. Go out to your 4-hour chart. See how we broke through here? That's awesome. If you look right here, this is a market edge. Let's box it out. We'll go from here right to here. Look at how we are at a market edge right here. And we just smacked right into it, right? We just smacked right into that market edge. And this is also called the curve zone on the highest time frame. So we took the trade, it went all the way down, hit that curve zone, and that was it for us. We said, all right, enough. Let's wait until we see more of a reaction out of this curve zone, and then we can decide whether or not we want to take the trade. Now, we took our 2-to-1, good. That's the end of that. You don't want to trade that stuff. Just like you don't want to trade Apple or Amazon or Google. You want to accumulate those stocks, okay? Somebody asked me the other day, wow, what's a great stock to buy now? And I tell everybody, get your hands on as much NVIDIA as you can. NVIDIA is definitely the way to go. So as far as stocks go. But when trading for a competition or trading in your live account or prop trading firm, if you're trying to pass a prop trading firm challenge, that is what you want to do. You want to go through that process. You will learn how to use the scanning system in Module 1 of TrendCloud University. We will go through the entire process in that foundations course that you get when you join TrendCloud. So again, look to your scanning system, find the symbol or contract in the appropriate column, and then go through your process. High time frame, downtrend, great. Momentum, down. Okay, good. Check that box. Now go to the middle time frame, downtrend, great. Check that box. Below negative 100 on CCI, check that box. If you check all the boxes, perfect. Go start looking for your supply zones, and I guarantee you're going to have very good results. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.